how beautiful and lovely these lights are. It's such a delight. Moving forward and backward, just look how beautiful it is. So, let's make it by joining small pieces of wood together. I've cut ice cream sticks into equal sizes and done the same with cardboard pieces. You can see I'm gluing them at 90 degrees with my glue gun. You can easily do this too. As you join them, keep tilting them slightly to form a nice shape, as you can see here. Carefully lift the structure and place a bulb underneath. I've used a 100-watt bulb, but you can use any kind. After adding the light, see how beautifully it disposes around. Little rays of light are coming out from each cut, and it looks so beautiful. Wow! You can use this for Diwali, Christmas, or any occasion, anywhere you like. If you use a 15-watt bulb, it can work as a night lamp for you. If you like it and think it looks beautiful, then a like, share, and subscribe are well deserved.